In our modern Western culture, pregnancy and childbirth are seen as medical conditions, and the exciting experience of birthing is even seen as a medical emergency. Disconnecting and unnatural parenting approaches and skill sets have replaced the wisdom of our mothers, grandmothers, and the natural world and what we ourselves innately hold. Fear, disconnection, and apprehension have been disproportionately woven into the fabric of the patchwork quilts of our maternal experience. We want to have healthy babies. We want to be healthy ourselves, but how? Have we lost this wisdom, replacing it with schedules and expert advice? Have we missed that healthy development can be found in our natural rhythms, in our nervous and immune system development, and holistic, often ancient ways of caring for ourselves and our children? Have we missed that this combination of factors are what actually lead to vitality, joy, connection, and a rich experience of well-being? Pregnancy and childbirth are not medical emergencies. Yes, the experience of preparing for and becoming a mother is a learning curve like no other. But with the right support and information, it can be a beautiful experience of incubation, integration, awakening, intuition, reflection, and flow. So we at the Healthy Family Formula have created what I consider to be the wellspring of information for every parent who wants to start their children off with the best chance possible at health. We want to help mothers and mothers to reduce your dependence on the medical profession and to use those supports only when necessary. Return to your natural rhythms and have an empowered and informed preparation, birthing, and postnatal experience. We want to remind you of your innate wisdom, become wholly healthier in every aspect, raise healthy children for a healthier future for us all, and be confident in your decisions every step of the way.